Hey guys, so I hope you guys are having a great Thursday afternoon. Going into the evening. I know I wasn't in school the second half of today, but I hope you guys are all getting online, watching this video, getting prepared for Friday's class. We are going to be we're going to be starting looking at the last thing in graphing, which is going to be the finding an equation of a line given a graph. So let's go ahead and we're going to go to the first one. Now we're going to use a lot of the same stuff that we used before with the other methods of finding the equation of the line. First thing we want to do is, obviously we have to have the slope. So what you want to do is you just want to find 2 points on here. Find 2 easy points to work with. So it looks like this right here would be a point. Looks like that's going to sit nicely. And I also think this right here is going to be a point as well. And we're going to go ahead and see what these points are. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4. So you got 1 point is not 0, 4, but 4, 0. And then your second point that we picked was 4, that's 5, 6, 1. Okay? And so now what we're going to do is we're going to use this to find our slope. So we have m is 1 minus 0 over 6 minus 4, not 2. And this is going to be 1 over 2. So my slope for my equation is 1 over 2. Now we're going to go ahead and plug it into slope-intercept form, or excuse me, point-slope form. So I'm going to say y minus, and we can pick whichever one of these we want. Let's go with the first one because it does look like it's going to be a little easier. So you got y minus 0 equals 1/2 times x minus, minus 4. And this is going to be y equals, let's distribute the 1/2. So I get 1/2 x minus 1/2 times 4 is going to be 2. And we can always check this because minus 2 means my x-intercept should be right here, and it is at negative 2. So this is going to be the equation of our line. Let's go ahead and we will do one more example tonight. And then you guys should be hopefully comfortable doing this on your own for the assignment. So in this one, we're gonna end up doing the exact same thing, and we're gonna start by finding some points. We want to find 2 points on this graph is what we're looking for specifically. So let's look at. Let's go ahead and look at. It looks like we've got one of them right here. And remember, we don't have to pick any specific point. We can pick any 2 points we'd want. We can pick any points we want. It doesn't matter what they are. As long as we have 2 points, we should be able to find the slope given those 2 points. So I've picked one, and that first point is going to be the point 0, 1. My second point, let's see, looks like we got a point right here. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is 6, comma, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, comma, 5. And let's go ahead and see what our slope is. So my slope is going to be 5 minus 1 over 6 minus 0, which means this is going to be 5 minus 1 is going to be 4 over 6. Now, fractions, always remember, it doesn't matter if it's the slope, it doesn't matter what it is, always remember with the fractions, they always have to be simplified. And so 4 over 6 is actually going to simplify to 2 over 3. So my slope now is going to be 2 over 3. So now we're going to go ahead and we're going to, from here, same thing we did a few minutes ago. So I'll go ahead and pick the second point this time. So we got y minus 5 equals 2 over 3 times x minus 6. let's distribute this. So you got y minus 5 equals 2/3 x minus, and I'll do the simple math over here. So you got 2/3 times 6 over 1. The 3 and the 6 will cancel, and you're left with a 2, so this is going to be minus 4. Now we're going to add 5 to both sides, and you get y equals 2/3 x plus 1. And there we get the equation of our line. And that's really all there is to it, guys. So if you really do knock out point slope form and really learn how to use point slope form, it does make a lot of things a whole lot easier by doing that. So I trust that you guys will be ready to go with this, and we will talk to you guys tomorrow, okay? So have a great night, and we'll see you on Friday.